Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find Ethereum wallet address on Kraken. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to open your Kraken application. Once you have logged into your Kraken account, then you need to click on portfolio at the bottom. After that, click on deposit button. Now click on deposit crypto. In the search bar, you need to search for Ethereum and simply select the top version of Ethereum. And in this window, you need to choose a network. So simply choose Ethereum, which is its own network, and always make sure to select same network on the sending side also, or you will lose all your funds permanently. Now click on this, and here you can read this instruction regarding deposit Ethereum. Once you have read successfully, then you need to click on I understand, and here you can see your Ethereum wallet address along with the QR code. Tap copy address to copy this, and you can share this QR code directly. And that's it. Now you know how to find Ethereum wallet address on Kraken. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.